Hello, in this video I will show you how you can enable and use Quick Launch on OnePlus Nord 5. So first of all you have to open the settings and from here you have to go to security and privacy. Now go to device unlock and fingerprint and face unlock. Go to fingerprint and enter your lock screen password. Now you have to set the fingerprint if you have no fingerprint unlock for now, so you can do it from here. And when it's done, when you have fingerprint unlock, go to Quick Launch, and here you can find Quick Launch feature. So turn it on, and now you can edit your Quick Launch menu. So you can find here functions and also apps. So you can just simply add them to your Quick Launch menu. So let's take some apps. Let's take games, for example, and also, I don't know, Facebook, and click done. And now to use Quick Launch, you can do it by that, like that. When your device is locked, you have to unlock it by using your fingerprint and hold it for a couple of seconds more, like 1 or 2 seconds more, and now you are able to select app that you want to open, like Chrome for example, and as you can see it's works like that. So let me show you again. Just hold for a couple of seconds, and as you can see, here is the Quick Launch. So basically that's all. Thanks for watching and subscribe.